You see me?
Come in the restaurant to Jackson. One day we could teach you all the way.
Oh, your father teach him too?
Yeah, man. Tell him. What's it on?
Yeah. Rasta Jackson, why? Yeah, we'll give them a one move. Yeah, we'll give them a one move. Rasta Jackson. Only 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 Jackson. Fellow Jackson.
Me don't know what them a pre about. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Alright, dream team. So we have to give thanks to the overcomers. We have to give thanks to the overcomers from the US providing these barrels. You know, we have to give thanks to the overcomers. Smiley, what are you smiling about?
Laughing, cry laugh, yeah.
Oh, cry laugh.
Come this one,
Rasta Jackson, cry laugh. Sam's there, Jella there. You come around here, so. You come around here, so, in the spotlight. In the dark scene. Yeah, so we just want to thank the overcomers.
Thank you, overcomers.
Thank you,
what you have done
for us.
for us. And big up yourself. Big up yourself, overcomers. And hope you have a long, very long
life.
Yes.
Thank you, overcomers. May God bless you and keep you. All of the donors, then we love you. And we thank you for everything, for all of the dream team. So keep up on yourself. Baby.
Thank you, overcomers, for what you have done for the team and for other people. And may your food basket never empty. May God bless you and continue to guide you and protect you. Big up all of the donors, them overseas. May God bless you all. One love.
Kadisa Smiley.
Thank you, overcomers, for your donation. We all appreciate it. And to all donors, we thank you very much for what you have done and what you are continuing to do for us. Thank you.
And we have Esther.
Thank you, overcomers, for your kind gesture. May the good Lord continue to keep and bless you.
Alright, give thanks. So the dream team members, them their own. And Natesha put in the work same way. So you know the members, then the male is not here. We have Rasta Jackson now. We are up on the box.
Love everyone, love the whole of them, pick up all of them days, and pick up the same killer kind of you to the pastor and all of the dreams. Pick up every time. All of them, we love them more than Steve Fish and Rice on beef.
Alright then, so we'll just give the overcomers a round of applause. So from the overcomers barrels, we got some individual names written down and some of the parcels as well too. So we have Kadisa as well too from the overcomers. For yourself.
Thank you again from the overcomers
and I appreciate this gift a lot. Thank you very much.
Alright. And we got Esther, aka Bumming Ball, also from the Overcomers.
Thanks again, Overcomers. May the good Lord bless you always.
Alright, give thanks. And over here, we have liquor. Okay, so this is liquor, Mother Teresa from the Overcomers.
Thank you, Overcomers. May the good Lord bless you and keep you. And may the light shine on you for all of the donors. Then many love.
Yeah. And we got Angela. Angela. So this is for you from the Overcomers.
Thank you, Overcomers. May your food basket never empty. Big up yourselves. Cheers.
Yeah. And we have baby. Baby, is that the only thing there, baby? Oh, we got more things there for baby. Anything else, baby?
Hey, just
Okay.
Alright. Blessings to the Overcomers. Many thanks for all that you have done for us. May your food basket never empty. May God continue to shine up him light and honor. Blessings.
Alright. And Psalms. We have Psalms name wrote. This is for Ali Mother. Put that one side. Ali Mother, one side. Scanner letter, one side. So we have Psalms there. Psalms 100. Psalms again. Psalms, I can't lift everything. And we have Psalms again. You know, we have a big Psalms again. You can rest that one up on the edge. You can balance. You can balance. Alright, you can balance all them. Alright. And that is from your auntie from the Overcomers. She says she's the only auntie from the Overcomers. So you can.
Overcomers, big up yourself. One love.
Yeah. Yeah, so yeah, so that's from Sam's auntie from the Overcomers. She says Sam's, she's the only auntie.
She say you say I auntie.
So
Hi, auntie.
Yeah. Stop move so shy now, my youth. Yeah, move so shy, my youth. Yeah, move so shy. Eh? Talk to your auntie. Now talk to your auntie. Sam's, big up my auntie.
Big up auntie.
Hey, so you have too much mouth.
Big up auntie.
So you have too much mouth off camera right now.
And what else? That's all?
Yes.
Angela alone have strength for. Angela, you alone have strength for me realize that.
Big up your auntie. Let us that your penetrate.
Yeah.
Auntie overseas. Sam, auntie big up yourself. Cause you not move right. That is me want to accept.
Yeah.
Big up your auntie.
Big up your auntie now.
Angela alone have strength for man. Alright.
Right now.
Yeah. I'm seeing my champ on Kadisa. Boy, you have car key, I show Kadisa.
Yeah, Kadisa to my mind.
Yeah. And give thanks. I got a circle and teach and then come back down here. So by the time we come back, the ladies them will be finished up. Right? Yeah, and send the bag them come. Oh, we have something for Prince though. Yeah. Wait, pass it for me please. Because I know the Prince to arrive. You know. Oh, yeah. How old is? Yeah, here man. Come on here, sir. Yeah. You know the Prince to arrive. Prince, we got a gift here for you. Yeah. I'm not quite remember which name was this sent from. Which one? Let me see that tonight. No, it's Prince. Is that from Lady D? And I'm not quite sure. So let's big up the donor.
Yeah, big up all donors. Much love, much thanks, you know. God guide and protect, you know. One love.
Every time.
All donors, every time.
Every time. So you say no, you're a boss 7 days a week.
Alright,
clean.
No joke.
No joke. Alright, then give thanks. Theater. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Yeah, man.
Hotters get hotters thing. Buckle get buckle
Them say, overcomers. Yeah, man.
Overcomers.
No.
Natesha.
Natesha. Always I say Natesha, but I Natesha.
Yeah. All it, my blessings overcomers. After love, you know. Team.
One team. Young Kino. Turn up right there, young Kino.
Yep.
Young Kino, you really get so big. Yeah, I eat too much in the yard. The young Kino. Natesha, I bring your goodies for you. Your goodies from the overcomers from the US. The overcomers send all these goodies for you.
Thanks a lot, overcomers, for the goodies. You have to buy nothing for me. Thanks a lot. Enough appreciation and enough love. Blessing and guidance all the time. One love and peace. Big up on yourself again. You never must reach for me, but you still a reach.
Yeah.
I don't have no work, but I still make a 10 or a 20 a reach.
Yeah.
Enough love and appreciation for all that.
Yeah, true.
Big up on yourself all the time. May God guide you and protect you always. May your basket never run dry. Big up on yourself, dream team. You know you're the father for the team. Big up yourself. Enough love it. Enough love, enough peace.
Every time.
Always.
So blessings and give thanks the overcomers.
Big up Father God always.
Always, you know.
Pablo.
Go and stay so.
IT.
Stay
Browning. Church. Love Base Station.
Ricardo.
Ricardo. So much of them, but you don't know what
Carl and Denny's, you know.
When you depend on the duty, you not doing the work. And God in the vessel for you.
So much of them, so much men.
But you don't know yourself doing it. Just go and big up and bless up. Enough love and guidance always. You in the basket never run dry. Big up on yourself.
Yeah, man. God bless and thank you, the overcomers, you know, because them being a regular donors, you know. They're the one that put on the first street for the kids, them. You know, they make a lot of things possible. So we give thanks to them, the overcomers, every time. God bless, you know. And as we not teach them, you know, food basket never go empty, because, you know, me, myself and I, and the dream team, we can't ever thank you enough. And Natesha, she can't ever thank you enough. So we have to ask Father God for giving that big thanks there, you know, for blessing you, you know, guide and protect you along the journey, because, boy, our words is speechless, you know, because for so much what we want to do, the gratitude that we can show, yeah, but we deserve more than what the gratitude that we are showing. You know, people come together and make a difference in other people's life, and it's only us that do that, coming together to do that, you know. Because it's not one of us, it's all of us. So imagine the changes we can make.
In my life.
Yeah.
It's more than a difference. You have a lot of changes.
Of course, a lot of
changes. You guys can see it, and I'm thankful.
Yeah. They might wait to see the house, but they not see the house till the opening day.
It's around the corner, man, just wait.
It's right around the corner.
Right
so
around the corner.
I think the next time
we'll finish the race.
Yeah. I think the next time when you see Natesha face on this video is gonna be the opening. So just bear this in mind, people. Yeah, the next time you see.
From the dream team and the donuts and Father God himself.
Yeah. Every time. So people, the next time when you see Natesha face on this video, I know that's definitely going to be the opening. You know, that's the next time you see her face on the video, is the opening day. See the smile on her face? It sure says bright. It's time. You
Thank
know,
you guys.
It's about time.
And the dream team, I want to bring it back.
Yeah, we give thanks, man, you know, to all the donors, them, because them keep the engine chuckling, you know, them keep fueling. keep pumping the fuel in the engine for continue and go on, you know, because them I carry this program and we have march along with them. So donors, big up on yourself, each and everyone will reach out to Natesha from then till now, and they never fade away, and they always been there. So we give thanks to you so much. God bless you all
the time.
And stay tuned for the house opening. You know, overcomers, God bless you and thank you for the gift. See you there.
Big up on yourself.
Natesha got eat a whole heap of rice and dumpling now. Yeah, and what that next?
Bring what we can go buy now.
Yeah, Nesquik.
Yeah.
You have Nesquik and everything in there.
Yeah, man. Cup some tea, man.
Yeah, man, when you're ready.
I want cup some tea.
Tea?
Yeah. How can I tea you want to watch it?
No, I got me work with the chocolate.
Can't work with the Nesquik, man, you know?
I don't want the chocolate, you know? Yeah.
Nesquik, man, I eat the thing, man.
I work with it,
Yeah.
Alright.
I sure need a space.
Alright.
So tomorrow, yeah, after. We have,
it's alright for me, I've life, though.
yeah.
Alright, man, come me have life.
Yes,
Yeah.
alright, man, she have life.
She have life
too.
Yeah.
They don't dash it away.
That them always say, when not there, they can't dash it away at all. Nothing.
Have ups and downs, but I say it's part of life.
Of course.
Yeah, man.
Alright then. Alright then, take care, yeah?
Same to you.
Alright then. Whoa.
Whoa, John.
Whoa.
Hello.
Dream team. One team.
Dream team.
Clean team.
One team.
Yeah, so we give thanks to the overcomers. Yeah, for these packages for the dream team. Towards the kitchen, you know. Everyone is not here today at the minute. Some still at the work site. So let's give out some individual. That's here why you have paint that just arrived after the work. Well paint up. And we have the clean team ladies as usual. Gonna sort out the gentleman them with that care package bag. So we give thanks to the overcomers. So we can get overcomers around the applause. Every time. Yeah. Whoa. So whoa, chef.
Yes.
Around there, so whoa. We can start give out these packages. And we have bro, prefect just arrived. Yeah, so prefect there. So we have Esther, Baby Liquor, and Jella. I got sort out the gentleman them with a package. So Baby, Jella, clean team ladies. Which one I start from? Alright, so Jella started. Come to light park. So it's from the overcomers.
Yeah, thanks to the overcomer and many blessings, you know. More love.
Yeah.
Love and manners, respect. Food basket never empty. JT!
One team.
Prefect, come to prefect. Prefect always sure out himself, so Jella make sure not sure out himself.
Overcome. Only for respect and only for thanks.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Overcome, you know.
Overcome.
Blessing, you know. Love, you know. Give thanks to the goodies, them, you know. Food first, you know. Dream team, one team.
Yeah. Boom.
Overcome, blessed and one love.
Yeah.
Overcomer, give thanks, one love, one team.
Yeah.
Overcomer, one love, you know. May a food basket never empty. One team.
Wow, chef. Overcomers.
Man, enough love in overcomer. One, you know? Yeah, man, goodies, you know?
Yeah. Our chef. And the rest of them gone for the shop, right?
Yeah, man, down there, man.
Yeah. Okay then. Overcomers.
Give thanks to the overcomers, you know. Love, respect.
Yeah.
Lot of thanks.
Yeah.
grant all his blessings.
Rasta Jackson, come in Rasta Jackson, you deserve a bag. Come on, Rasta Jackson, you deserve a bag.
Enough respect, love, honor every time, guide and protect, love you every time.
Every time, yeah.
Only for thanks overcome. Your boss is never empty. More love. Thank you very much.
Overcomers, thanks again for this token. We thank you very much for always being there and still here with us on the journey. Thanks.
Yeah, give thanks.
Thanks again from Overcomer. May the good Lord bless you always and keep you.
Alright, give thanks. Baby.
Thanks Overcomers, many blessings, many respect, may your food basket never empty. Big up all of the donors then.
Alright, so Baja. Liquor, come liquor.
Thank you, Overcomer. Many blessings, many love. I hope your basket will never empty. All of the donors then.
Yeah. So Baja not there yet. And Joe is not here, right? And Ali. Joe and Ali. Right? That's still the three of them, right? And Marvin. So we have four. So we have 4 bags there. Yeah. Baja is not here yet. Well, he's not here today, so we're gonna make Kadisa receive this bag for Baja. Yeah, man.
Overcomers again, thank you very much for this token again for Baja. He's not here at the moment, so I know he would have a lot of words to say, but I'm different, but thanks a lot.
Yeah. Prince, yeah. Come in, Prince. Up top, receive a bag. Turn on. So take a bag.
Take the bag.
And you can thank the overcomers.
Yeah, big up to the overcomer. Thanks to the overcomer. Much love, much thanks, much respect. One dream team.
Alright, really team. Eh? Papa! Come now. Come here, I get Tompa bag. It's at the coal man where we buy our coal from.
Yeah.
You know, this is the great Tompa. Come Tompa, go on for that package there. You can help yourself, Tompa.
Ah, dirty man and clean man, you know?
Yeah. So Tompa can thank the overcomers. You know? They name the overcomers. So they can say thank you the overcomers.
Thank
Overcomers.
Overcomer. Like overcome.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is the coal man who buy the coal from. We cook the dream team pot, you know. So don't really watch him dirt.
Yeah.
I'm always in the coal, you know. Yeah. Always a bun coal. So Tompa, dig up yourself. Yeah. Alright, so liquor. So I receive a bag for Jordan. Yeah. So on behalf of Joe.
Overcomer, Joe is not here right now at the moment, so I received this token for him. So many love from Joe and gratitude.
Alright then, so we give thanks to the overcomers, yeah, for the care package for the dream team and for the members same way. So we say dream team. One team. Dream team. You know the light is against us. And Natural is not here. So baby, I'm put on a bag, receive a bag for Natural. Baby gonna receive this bag for Natural for whenever he arrive as well too. So that's for Natural.
I received this bag for Natural, he's not here. But when him come, he will receive it back from me. So I must tell overcomers, thank you very much for this token for Natural and for the team, and big up every time.
And I could get the clean team ladies them for sorting out the barrels them nice and easy. You know, clean team ladies. Thank you so much. Seeing me for the time, you know, cause there's a lot of work I will still have to take it on. So we have to close it off because let me say the light is against us now. So you know we have to close it off now before it get dark. So we say dream team, one team, clean team, one team. So give thanks to all the donors, blessing to the overcomers. I will say have a nice time and a joyful. So we say give thanks. Skinny dip, hey, skinny dip, hey.
Jesus Christ, get in the back, get in the back, get in the back, Kino, get in the back.
Yeah. Hey, hey, yeah, skinny dip, hey.
Clean.
Yeah. Hey, Rasta Jackson.
Rasta Jackson, see my competition. Where am I doing?
Yeah, Rasta Jackson. Come here, come here, Rasta Jackson. Because one of the people that call you out now and skin dip are going to do things over there.
Yeah, we're going down. Why are you going over the media now? The Rasta class and murder kill your Rasta.
Rasta Jackson, one of them there. I hear Rasta Jackson go all the vibes. One of them there, I hear them go all the vibes.
Stop on it.
You see me?
Oh, come in the Rasta Jackson. But there we can teach you all the way.
Oh, your father teach him too?
Yeah, man. Tell him.
What's it now?
Yeah. Rasta Jackson, why? Yeah, we'll give them a one move. Yeah, we'll give them a one move. Yeah. Hey, Rasta Jackson. Yeah. Only Jackson. Fellow Jackson. Alright. Skinny dip, hey. A skinny dip, hey. A skinny dip, hey. 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 Alibaba. Skinny dip, Adibaba.
Yes, you. Hey, Kimo. Good work you do.
Yeah.
Respect you to Kimo.
Dream team.
Big up Dream Team, one love. Big family. Respect the youth, 30 man grow, kick back and chat.
So it's a Rasta Jackson father teacher for dance.
Who teach you for dance?
Rasta Jackson father.
Yeah, him father is that, but him great, rate him, nah, this him.
Big dancer man. Only movie star.
Oh, I don't want to boy this him.
Nobody can diss him.
I made him grow up running now.
Yeah.
Father teaching now.
Yeah.
Class to go now. Boy, I say him hate goalie.
Him a juki jam. Saxa shot. Hey, saxa shot. Hey.
Next time I know, no dance.
Yeah.
Like I said, yo, yeah, check. I said no.
Yeah. Dream team. Leila. Say dream team. You shy now. I want to get up on dream team. You shy now, Leila.
One love, brother. One girl, happy dog.
Say it. Dream team.
Big up Marley.
Yeah.
Big up Marley.
Say it. Yes, Commerce Marvin.
Overcomers, you are blessed. You have a package for go home with for months, man. Give thanks, blessings, you know. Love the world, you know.
Yes.
Love all the donors, them always give it food, because food is stuff of life.
Yeah.
So blessing, love.
The overcomers. The overcome, you know. Overcome. Aye. Dream team. Here, I look for fine vibe. Dream team. Say, come here now. She learned it already. Dream team. Dream team. Dream team. One team. Dream team. One team. Yeah, so we see that for Ali as well too.
Ali, my brother. Overcomers. Now receive it. You see? For
Ali.
Blessing love for my brother, you know. You see, we can't laugh like him, but they represent him thing.
Yeah.
You see, in a one team, a one brother, you know. Blessings.
Every time. Joe, I have some island grill here for you. Real Jamaican jerk. Real Jamaican jerk, island grill.
Island grill?
Yeah. What meat? Eat island grill? Them say so much good. Island grill. First I hear about island grill, them say chicken and the wall and thing there. Oh, and the island grill night. Them a trick me. You know what that? Radio. Yeah, radio that. So your friend Tutu, she must give you it. See me like that in the island grill box. So Tutu send it for you. So see look now, tell your friend thanks. So Tutu I try to trick you. Yeah, so put it in an island grill box. Yeah, so you're really cool. Send tune in already.
Investigation Division (FID) and the Constabulary Financial Unit, and a case file prepared and submitted to the Director of Public Prosecutions.
So walking radio.
The men and their company should be charged.
Not too big for walking.
The Westmoreland police have arrested and charged a 39-year-old man of a Greenhill address for several offences arising from an allegedly molested and we have to get the facts. The police.
Our number. RFM.
Was charged.
Our number RFM.
Burglary, 3 counts of
107.
sexual assault.
You have to scan.
Oh, you have to
You have to scan for you.
Oh, you can scan for it. You find it, man.
The accused man went to the bed.
You scan, you find. Yeah, man.
Point.
So Tutu, pick up yourself, Tutu. Joe back and see there. Alright.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.